I'm happy to share the information na yung ating Involve Asia affiliate marketing platform, meron na silang Involve Asia mobile app, okay? So ang ginawa ko muna dito, nag-login tayo through our Google browser sa Involve Asia website, and nakita natin dito yung announcement or yung information sa Involve Asia dashboard natin na meron ng Involve Asia mobile app. Siyempre, i-click natin yan, and then mariredirect tayo sa next page. Ang sabi dito, generate, share, and track your links efficiently. Kapag nag-scroll down tayo, makikita natin dito yung visual ng Involve Asia mobile app once na successfully ma-install ito sa ating mga mobile phone. And may option rin tayo to install the Involve Asia mobile app by scanning the QR code as how it shows on our screen. Applicable for download yung ating Involve Asia mobile app through the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, okay? So mapa-Android device man yan or iPhone, pwede natin install yung Involve Asia mobile app. Kudos sa Involve Asia affiliate marketing team for doing this kind of upgrade to improve yung ating Involve Asia affiliate marketing experience. Okay, so ang ginawa natin dito, pinili natin dito yung option to install the Involve Asia mobile app through Google Play Store. Okay, so Involve Asia mobile app, makikita natin dito yung install button. Scale your earnings online. Promote over 500 brands from across Southeast Asia. Okay? So ganito yung magiging itsura niya pag na-install sa ating mga mobile phone. Create many links at once, okay? And then track and analyze performances on the go. Watch your earnings grow. Okay, so meron ditong prompt or notification rated 3+, suitable for all age groups, okay? Clinic lang natin dito yung got it, and then i-click na natin yung install button. So installing na siya, and after ma-install nung Involve Asia app sa ating phone, try na natin siya i-open, okay?
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Okay, so Involve Asia, mabilis lang siya mag-load. So obviously, ang gagawin natin dito, magla-login na tayo. So nakikita natin dito, nagla-login lang tayo with our nominated email address and password for Involve Asia. And ganito yung itsura ng homepage niya, okay? Sa taas, yung Involve Asia logo. And then yung name natin as an Involve Asia publisher. Okay, and then kitang-kita natin yung information about our estimated earnings. By default, nakaset ito in the past 7 days. And then dito sa may lower middle part ng page, yung deep link overview, okay? Meron na tayong quick view ng mga recent and top performing brands, okay? Dito sa performance overview, makikita natin yung quick information ng ating mga sales and conversions in the Involve Asia affiliate marketing platform by default in the past 30 days time frame, okay? And dito sa lower part ng page, makikita natin yung ating earnings overview, okay? Lastly, dito sa lowermost part ng page, makikita natin dito yung 500 plus na brands na in partnership with the Involve Asia affiliate marketing platform, okay? So may option tayo dito to click on see all brands. Okay, so done na tayo with the overview. Ang gagawin naman natin dito, i-click natin yung profile icon on the lower right. Okay, so we have here information about our membership, settings, help, terms and conditions, privacy policy, and the logout option. Okay, finally, ang gagawin ko na dito, syempre, ito yung pinaka-importante dito. I-click na natin yung plus icon sa gitna, create link. So ito yung deep link option, guys. So dito naman sa create deep link, alam naman natin lahat yan. Kung meron tayong mga affiliate marketing products na gustong i-promote, for example, Shopee, Zalora, Puma, Adidas, or anything na in partnership sa Involve Asia, paste lang natin yung link dito, and then we can create and generate the deep link na maaari na nating i-share sa ating mga social media platforms for potential sales and conversions para sa ating Involve Asia affiliate marketing passive income platform, okay? Now, disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and Crypto Sports channel. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Involve Asia and Crypto Sports channel, is strictly at your own risk, okay? More fruitful gains, everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog.